Hi, Tyler Daniel, Application Engineer here with EXAIR. I'd like to take a minute today to walk you through a situation that most shops are going to be familiar with. You walk up to a machine, there's debris everywhere, and you're ready to clean it off. But first, you can't find that pesky air gun. Somehow it's never where you expect it to be. Ah, there it is, right there, on the floor. This happens all the time. Guns get lost, set down, knocked off machines, or dropped. Over time, this leads to damaged tools, wasted time, and unnecessary safety concerns. At EXAIR, this is something our customers were dealing with regularly. Broken air guns, lost air guns, or guns simply ending up where they shouldn't. That's exactly why we designed the Model 5920 Air Cradle. The Air Cradle is a simple magnetic loop designed to securely hold your safety airgun in an upright position. It mounts instantly to any ferrous surface, no tools, no hardware, and no permanent installation. With the Air Cradle installed, the gun stays off the floor, protected from damage, and always within arm's reach. No searching, no bending down, just grab it, use it, and put it right back. It's a small change that makes a big difference in day-to-day workflow. EXAIR's Air Cradle helps keep work areas organized, reduce tool damage, and improves overall safety while keeping air guns conveniently located for your operators. If you've ever had an air gun that ends up on the floor, this is an easy fix that just makes sense. When ordering your next safety air gun, make sure to add the EXAIR Model 5920 Air Cradle. It'll keep your air guns safe, visible, and right where they belong. Thank you for watching.